The Pixel 10 Pro just leaked and we're talking full-blown prototype images, detailed specs, and some sneaky design changes Google didn't want you to see. Let's dive in. Google's next flagship is out in the wild, literally. Live images of the Pixel 10 Pro prototype have surfaced from China nearly 2 months before launch. These leaked shots show a design validation test unit, confirming its internal code name, Blazer. And this thing is packing heat. Inside, it runs a brand new Tensor G5 chipset, paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. The G5 features a cutting-edge CPU setup, including Cortex-X4 for performance and a Samsung-made G5400i modem for connectivity. Visually, Google has made a few noticeable changes. The USB-C port now sits perfectly between two matching cutouts, likely for stereo speakers. The SIM tray has moved to the top left. And the camera bar? It's thicker than before, suggesting major internal upgrades. The glass back now stretches further to the edges, possibly hinting at thinner bezels or a more premium display design. The Pixel 10 Pro isn't launching alone. It'll be joined by the Pixel 10, 10 Pro XL, and the 10 Pro Fold. All I expected to debut at Google's Made by Google event on August 20th, with shipping starting August 28th. With full prototype leaks dropping this early, don't be surprised if more surprises leak before launch day.